Good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great Labor Day weekend. I want to do a quick update what's going on with the Fox body. So obviously, yeah, the engine is out. Here's the cracked block. It's all broken down. Couldn't find anybody locally that would fix it. So my backup 302, I tore that down, got that over to the machine shop because that was still standard bore, and these pistons are 40 over. So he asked me to break down just bring in one piston and pin so he can set the clearances on everything and make sure it's fitted. So he wanted me to bring the piston sheet in, a set of cam bearings, and one piston and pin. So I've got all that ready to go. That'll go Tuesday. He said there was no other blocks that needed to be bored in front of mine, so hopefully that'll be done relatively quickly. And so far everything I took apart looked good. The clutch looks good, the heads look fine, they're over here, the cam, all this, everything else looks fine. So we're just gonna go, got some new bearings on order, and we'll get it put back together and back in the car. Hopefully we'll only be down for a couple of weeks, but anyway, that's the update. Hope everybody's having a great Labor Day weekend, and I'll be over Tuesday morning. They'll be back at the shop, and I'll drop this stuff off so they can do the bore and hone and everything on the cylinders to make sure the pistons fit correctly per the sheet, and then install the new cam bearings. The bores, it's going to be decked. He's going to check the line hone and everything else on that. So anyway, it's 105 in Sacramento, so we are going to be heading out to the pool. But I want to give everybody an update that we are making progress. Got the other block over to the machine shop, and we just got to swing by there Tuesday and drop off the couple things he needs to bore it, and then we'll get the block back, and probably have to put a new fresh coat of paint on it because it's getting hot tanked, and then we'll go from there. And then this, I guess this is just going to go out back. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. I mean, nobody around here would take a look at it and try to fix it, so maybe it's just going to go to the scrap yard. Anyway, happy Labor Day, everybody. Happy Labor Day weekend. Hope you're enjoying time with your families and staying safe, and I'll get back at you as soon as I know some more from the machine shop. Thank you.